skin quality.
So have you had a skin tightening or fat reduction treatment that didn't give you the results you wanted? Well, now you can get the results you want. Tighter skin, improved skin laxity, and no more crepey skin. It's a safe and effective procedure with just 1 to 2 days of downtime, and the only doctor in Denver offering this is Dr. Jack Zamora. He joins us live now along with dermatologist Dr. Bach to tell us more about this amazing procedure. Dr. Bach just got off a plane, right? Came from California. Welcome to the show today. Thanks for coming on. We're going to talk to him about the fact that he's training on this today, and you're the only person who knows how to do this and train people.
Well, yes.
Yes.
We developed the procedure, and it's wonderful. And so we're training all the docs across the U.S., out in London, Morocco, everywhere, on how to tighten skin.
Yeah, it's called J-Plazty. And tell us about this amazing procedure you came up with.
Now, absolutely. We're using this really impressive technology called cold plasma. And cold plasma basically just tightens all of the tissue underneath the skin and brings the skin back down to your muscles.
Okay. And the incredible thing about this, I was just saying in the lead-in, only 1 to 2 days of downtime?
Oh, it can be that quick. We've had some patients go back to work that first day after, ride their bikes 450 miles that first week. Yeah, especially the Boulder patients are quite impressive. They don't take a moment off.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it can be that quick. And there's still going to be a little bit of soreness and swelling, just like a workout.
Yeah.
But it's impressive. It's unbelievable.
I mean, I can't believe my eyes. You've been on with us before, and every time we see new video, new pictures, I'm like, what? So as we show you this video about what it's all about, talk to us about who a good candidate is.
Right. Well, so we've done everyone from 20 to 86.
Wow.
And even this young lady, for example, in her late 40s, early 50s, has a wonderful body but loose skin. And there you see a little garment line. But it's impressive how much of a reduction it is. I know. We used to be happy with 24% reduction in laxity or improvement in laxity.
Yeah.
This blows it away. Our patients are pretty much consistently telling us it's somewhere around a 70 to 80% level of tightening.
Okay, this one floors me.
And she's incredible. She's that person where you don't want to do lipo because there's no fat really there to take out. We really didn't take out much fat at all. All we did was tighten the skin, and all of a sudden, she looks spectacular.
Look, she turns to the side.
I know, she can turn.
Right?
and all through those tiny little poke holes. So those patients that may have had a tummy tuck before on the left-hand side, now through a couple of little poke holes can have a significant improvement without that tummy tuck scar.
And look at her abs. She had those abs underneath.
Yeah, we did.
All you had to do was tighten the skin.
Exactly.
Unbelievable. So we're seeing the belly area, which I imagine is the most popular area, especially for women. What other areas are you treating with this?
Arms, back, flanks, legs, neck. I mean, pretty much anywhere there's skin, we should be able to tighten it. Tushy.
You know, I always ask you about the tushy.
Yeah, a couple of tushies were done yesterday, and it's pretty neat.
Oh my gosh.
This is incredible. This is 1 day. I mean,
One day
later. Exactly. 1 day post.
Okay, what you're seeing is real.
Yeah, that too.
This is amazing.
That tattoo is not moving at all afterwards relative to before. I mean, I'm having it done. I'm going to have it done.
You're going to do it. So amazing.
You're going to have Dr. Bach.
You're going to have Dr. Bach once you train him do it on you.
Exactly.
So tell people, we do a lot of, we hear a lot about the cool sculpting and the sculpture. How is this different?
So cool sculpting and sculpture are great at reducing fat, about 24%, but we're not reducing fat. We're tightening the skin.
Yes.
If we need to reduce a little fat at the same time, we can.
Okay.
So patients will have both done at the same time, and it's the same price. There's no significant difference. But really, the trick to it is skin tightening.
Yeah. So tell us how this is different from lipo. It's not a major surgery, number one.
Well, it's in office. All of our patients who have had lipo before say that this is a fraction of the inconvenience with respect to time and healing, discomfort, all of that.
Yeah.
So it's pretty quick. Lipo, I think it's great. But again, that's more for fat reduction. This is skin tightening.
This is skin tightening. Dr. Bach, you're in here to train today. You train doctors from all over the world. What do you hope to take home to your patients in California?
Well, I hope to be able to do skin tightening without surgery, and that's been sort of the Holy Grail that people have looked for many years, and it's really not been available. We've had a number of different devices that we've used to try to accomplish this and haven't been successful, but this really looks like it's the real thing.
Wow, you excited? You're
Yeah.
learning from the best today.
I came to the source.
That's amazing. So truly awesome that he is living here in Denver. He's down the street from us. He's on our show. He's the only person doing this in the world. Is that correct?
Well, I'm the one who developed it, but I've taught maybe 40, 50 surgeons at this point to do this, and so we want everyone to have the opportunity to have these
But you're
procedures.
the source.
Yes.
He's the source. Call 303-780-7377 right now to take advantage of this amazing offer. Here is that number again to reach Dr. Jack Zamora, Cosmetic Surgery and Aesthetics, 303-780-7377. He has locations around the metro area, and you can also learn more online at jackzamoramd.com.